Welcome back, everybody. So it's about 5 degrees centigrade. It is cold, but there's no snow, so we do have something to be thankful for. I am driving, but my hands are free. We're just heading down to the warehouse right now. We have a preparation going for Black Friday. We don't want to wait for Black Friday because we're impatient people, so we're actually going to do Pink Friday a week before. So yeah, here we go. Let's go check it out.
I think this is actually the first time that you guys are going to see what the warehouse looks like after it's somewhat set up. It's not fully ready yet, but it's getting there. So yeah. And today's Sunday, and we're working as usual. Okay, so there's the door. There's the lovely dumpsters.
Yeah, it's the dumpsters. Prettiest part of the whole deal.
Alright guys, so here's a little walkthrough of what the warehouse looks like now. There's a lot to see and a lot has changed.
There's a lot you can't see.
And there's a
like what's over there.
Yeah, we don't show that side of the warehouse because it's our proprietary information. So anyways, here is a lovely breakdown of all the amazing hijabs. And everything has a home. They look so nice. We're just working on filling them up now because a lot of them are still in boxes like that. And as we are making the inventory boxes, we're just like slowly filling them up. So that's what it looks like. It's pretty good. These are ones that Ronak has folded. He's our awesome employee. He's our superstar. And so those are going to go inside those boxes. And Will is over here. And we also have...
We've also got some Sierra Leone just hanging out. Some lovely, beautiful Sierra Leone. #1 top seller. Beautiful hijabs. I'm going to try to move around a little bit. We've got our satin collection there as well. And yeah. And she's lost her phone, which is fine. Here's a little staff room area, guys. Microwave, mini fridge, seating arrangement. And the most important part is this hasn't changed at all. It's still, well, you know what, I can't say that. We've got our security system.
Oh, it's cold in here.
Security system. All over the place. Oh, and this is a very important thing. Is this flag. Which will be going up on the wall in the warehouse.
Very soon. Love it. So the first thing I am going to do is take these hijabs that are right here and I'm going to put them in their respectful homes. And then I have a stack of orders. This is just the ones that are outstanding. There are probably 2 or 3 dozen other orders that I also have to print on the computer and then pack as well. Today's our shipping day, so we are going to be packing as many orders as we can and sending them out. I think that there's this big misconception out there that entrepreneurs start a business and they sit back and relax. But that is so far from the truth. We have been running this business for over a year now, almost a year and a half, and we are still hustling it ourselves. We are lucky that we're now starting to build an awesome team, but it is a lot of work, and day in and day out, we're constantly working ourselves and building this business from the ground up, and we are so grateful for your continued support. It means the world to us and the growth of Lala Hijabs. Okay, so the US box is quite full, and I'm just working on the Canadian orders now. Well, hello, Will.
Hi.
What are you doing?
This is what you call restricted access, top secret government stuff. Like Area 51, it's just not aliens.
Why?
Why what?
Why can't we see what you're doing?
Because if I showed you, then all the people in China that are trying to rip us off would just, life would be easier, so.
Okay, I'm literally like sweating. We weren't able to record much because we were hustling. I now have a hair appointment, but all of our packages are ready to go. So all of your packages are somewhere in here. This one's international, US, Canada, all the things. I see you grabbing some O. Henrys.
No.
I saw you. I saw you. I saw you grab some O. Henrys. Okay, if you work for us, free candy. So I'm taking one. Well.
There's this one bag.
Huh?
There's this one bag.
Okay, I'll grab it. Thank you so much for tuning in, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this little behind the scenes view of what it's like to work in our warehouse and kind of what we do. We will be posting a full warehouse tour once it's ready to go, including the showroom, which is not quite set up yet, but stay tuned for that soon.